Here I've got Vodafone Smart for Macs, and let me show you how to enable battery saver on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings, scroll down a bit and pick battery saver. Now you can simply activate it by tapping on this switcher, so simply click over here, and that's it. Now it has been activated, but here you can also personalize it, so you can switch on and off some options. So let me switch on, for example, vibration, GPS, and CPU power. So as you can see, now they are all allowed, but if you would like to reduce the battery way stronger, you can switch off all of the options. So just like that. Then you can switch off the power saving mode by tapping on the same switcher as in the beginning. Over here you've got the notification that battery saving mode has been deactivated. So that's it. This is how you can easily save power in your device, save your battery. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.